Hey, what's poppin', everybody? So if you are interested in seeing how I accomplish these beach/pool day waves, well, you came to the right place, because that is exactly what we are about to do. So the first thing that I do is just adjust my wig cap to my head size, and my head is kind of small, so I always put it on the tightest loop possible, and that's just because I don't really like gluing down my wigs anymore. Just as of recently, I just don't feel like doing it, so I make sure to make it as tight as possible so I could just put on my wig without any glue or anything like that. So now I got some basic cornrows, and I'm just gonna throw this wig on my head. Now, what I did to get the lace to be close to my skin complexion was, of course, I bleached the knots, and then I went ahead and took some of my face powder and just dabbed a little bit on there. And yes, the lace is a little bit dirty. As you can see, I got some buildup of gel or whatever was there before, and I was just too lazy to wash it over, so just ignore that little patch, but that's what I did. So the first thing you want to do is just get the hair as wet as possible. I literally drenched this hair with water with my spray bottle, and I did put a little bit of conditioner in there. I can't remember which conditioner because I have so many conditioners in my house, but I just put a little bit of a conditioner in there and water, and then I took a curl cream. It can be any curl cream you want, and I put a little bit inside. You don't want to put too much because then it's going to get too heavy and clumpy and clammy, and you don't want the hair to look dirty. So I just use, a fair amount, and it smells really good, so I always like adding this as well, and it just helps to define the curls. Then I'm gonna take my favorite mousse right now. I love mousse. I think I play around with it a little bit too much, but yeah, I'm a fool when it comes to mousse. Yo, I swear, it's just so much fun. Anyway, I take a good bit of mousse and I put it on there. This mousse is level 4, so this is going to make your hair stay wavy. It actually gets a crunchy effect, so if you don't like that crunchy effect, you may not want to use the level 4, but I want the waves to stay all day without getting frizzy, so that's what I did. And then I took a little bit of that mousse to do some really light baby hairs, just light. Even at the sides, I didn't really do baby hairs, I just brushed it out because I want it to look super natural, And then this is optional and probably not the best because the hair is wet, but I took my iron comb and I just wanted to lay the top flatter because it tends to kind of frizz up, so I just did that. And I'm surprised I didn't do it this time, but usually I take a wax stick and gel that down. But that's it. This is how the hair looks. I hope you really like it. I think this is perfect for the pool. This hair is by DY777 Hair, and I will leave all of the links in the description box below. So let me know what you guys think about this style in the comment section below. As always, super special shout out to our featured subby of today's video. Thank you so much for your support. I love and appreciate you so much. If you would like to be featured in the next video, all you gotta do is comment and subscribe to join the gang so we can hang. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.